Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're into 3D printing, photography, technology and whatever interests me, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. Most Wi-Fi cameras nowadays come with a hidden tax, and that's a subscription, the monthly subscription to store all the data that you're recording on basically their cloud. What I'm going to show you today is a camera that not only doesn't have a hidden tax, but it comes with 64 gigabytes of storage, shoots in 4K, and it's great for your garden. And it has AI motion detection. Let's roll the intro and let's talk about it. You've probably seen the unboxing already and some of the video. We're talking about the Zosi C290. This is a wireless IP camera that I mounted outside to monitor my pool. And it's basically a 360 degrees camera. And what I loved on the first hours of using is that it basically detects somebody moving. Same system more or less of the DJI Pocket series, that you can like select the subject and it will follow the subject. This is a wireless camera that's doing that in your garden, either it's day or night, and it's sending it right to your phone as soon as somebody moves in the garden. I mean, I wanted to install a camera on the swimming pool because that was the only corner of my garden which was not guarded. I mean, I have another camera, but the trees grew up, and I wanted a different angle to see and monitor the kids when they're in the swimming pool. What surprised me a lot is this 64 gigabyte storage. It already comes with a 64 gigabyte SD. Of course, you can expand that. I think you can expand it to 1 terabyte. I mean, bringing that to endless capabilities on your camera. I mean, you can record for a long time. So it sends you messages and alerts every time it sees somebody in the garden. But there's so many different options on AI detection. I also saw there's littering AI. Basically, it sees where somebody is littering something. So if you want to monitor an outside where people like litter stuff, that's a great camera to catch them on while they're doing that. Most of the Wi-Fi cameras that I've seen lately are 1080p for the garden because they have to manage day and light. But this one has a 4K 8 megabits, which makes a huge difference. The difference between 1080p and 4K is the possibility of actually recognize somebody from the face or read a license plate of a car. So it's not something we have to underestimate. That 4K with 8 megapixel clarity gives you like the ability of having a higher detail and it will be easier to track down the person, the license plate, or whatever you want to see. By tapping on your mobile, you also zoom 2x in. That's a digital zoom, don't get me wrong. But anyway, that digital zoom is basically a cutout 1080p of the 4K you're watching. So really impressed by the quality of the 4K that it's delivering, and really impressed by the night visions as well. It really surprised me. Other feature that I really liked is the two-way audio.
Hello? You looking at me? Following.
I mean, it's crystal clear. The speaker inside the camera is amazing, and having kids swimming in the pool and having the possibility of monitoring them from my studio or from wherever I want, like seeing them, and the possibility of telling them off and shout at them, like don't jump in the pool, don't dive that way, and blah blah blah. If you have kids, you know what I'm talking about.
Hello? Prova. Hello. Hello.
And they have the ability of answering. I mean, I can talk to them and we can open a channel and actually talk. And that's something that I really liked. I mean, it's on many cameras, but the quality has improved a lot. It sounds a little bit like the Alexa.
Something I would like to add is the fact that installation is very easy, and it comes with these pointers, so you know where to do and drill the hole. You basically stick this, drill the hole, and then you're good to go. I mean, for me it was much easier because I mounted on my wood column, so it was much easier. I used the same screws that were included and just drilled inside the wood column. So installation was pretty easy. I'm gonna run the cables down so I have a cleaner job. And together with the Wi-Fi extender, the camera is working great.
Something I would like to stress out, and probably will be my headline of the title of the video, is that Zosi is not proposing you any contract or any hidden tax for any cloud. I mean, I saw in the options you can buy it, you can buy extra storage if you want, but it will not limitate the features as 90% of the other camera that I've tested out are doing. I mean, basically the value of the product is not anymore in the camera itself, but what all the services that are selling you around. And in this, Zosi is like shining, because it's not telling you you're gonna use this for 30 days and then there's gonna be a subscription. It's just giving you 64 gigabytes. Whenever you finish, it will overwrite the data on that SD, and you can even put a larger one. I mean, and you will never stop using it. Quality build of the camera, we're talking about a basic entry-level camera. For what I saw, it's a good build. I'm not talking about the best quality. What I found a little bit loose is the SD holder, so I managed to install the camera not completely exposed to water. That's my suggestion. If you wanna install it in a way where it can get rain, but not just like isolated on a pole in the middle of the field. I would avoid that because, I don't know, I mean, it's still plastic. And we're talking about, right now it's on offer at 59 or 79. All the links to buy this camera will be down in the description for your reference. Let's wrap it up. For the price you're paying, it's a great deal because it's offering you stuff that other Wi-Fi cameras for external are not giving you. And again, that's the no hidden cloud service, 64 gigabytes, that's crazy. It's giving you 4K with 8 megapixel clarity vision. It has AI. It's not a motion detection like the other. It's actually AI motion detection. It will follow the subject like through its own, like the entire course. Let's say somebody gets in your garden and wants to steal a ball from the kids. You will have a clear picture of the video of this guy getting in your garden, getting the ball and leaving. And it will export it on your phone in 4K. So, I mean, that's a great deal for the budget we're talking about. I mean, I haven't seen any other company do something like that. What I would have loved, and probably there is on the website, I'm gonna check, it would have been nice to have this camera powered just with a solar panel. I mean, that would have been the best possible deal. I'm gonna reach out to Zosi and see if they have an addiction, like if I have an add-on for this, or if they have a different camera with the solar panel, because the quality they're delivering, I was really, really impressed with it. Would I suggest this camera? I mean, I bought it with my money, didn't get it from Zosi. I liked it. I saw a couple of reviews on internet. I saw a review in Italian, and I realized there was no review in English, so I bought it, got it here, paid it with my money, and I must say it's really worth it. I mean, it's something that probably I will get another one. Before that, I want to try to see if there is one with the solar panel. That's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Smash the like button if you did like the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.